So let's bring it back to DNA
Sure.
and how scientists have labeled junk DNA when there is no such thing as junk DNA, and how we have been unplugged and we are operating at 10% or even less than that. You said 4%.
4%.
What can the listeners do moving forward to somewhat repair these remaining strands of DNA?
By keeping their body cleans, by meditating, going within, spending time in nature as much as possible.
Much as possible.
Whether it's an ocean, lake, or whether it's a mountain, forest. Nature has a lot of healing properties. You know, if we spend time, the more we spend time in nature, the more we're going to be healing ourselves, so that other 96% of our DNA could unravel. But also automatically, due to the photonic energy that is coming in from our sun via the galactic core, or from our galactic core via our sun, sorry, we're also activating the other 12 strands.
Mm-hmm.
So as I speak right now, the human race is currently going through a genetic mutation at the cellular level. In order for you to access your higher strands of DNA, even beyond the 12, I would suggest keeping your bodies clean, no alcohol, no drugs, no cigarettes, eating superfoods, vegetables, organic fruits, and stuff that is just living.
Yeah.
Because when you eat living stuff, you're actually doing a good thing for your other DNA.
Mm-hmm.
And so
On multiple levels of reality.
on multiple levels, yeah, because it's, what we do with our body, it's all connected to our spirit and stuff. In fact, our bodies is almost like a materialization of an extension of our spirit in our mind.
Right.
Even though we see it as an avatar, eventually we're going to spiritualize it.
Right.
As we transform, as we become DNA, or as our DNA becomes activated, we are going to be able to integrate all aspects of ourselves into this physical form, because this is the only physical form that was designed, whereas no other species out there could do it, where you could embody all 12 dimensions at once, which is like what God does. Yeah. So we have what is called the God gene. We have the God particle, the God code.
The God spark.
The God spark. No other species has it, but we do. So we were designed for our biologies. Was designed to develop itself into the point where they access absolute power. We begin to access absolute power.